This is a prepping class because I don't want to do advertisement for anybody. No free ads. Setting my stuffs. Yeah, this is plain, so there's no leather. Okay, yeah. What do I need again? Spoon. Surely need a big spoon. Oh, I would have used this as a measuring cup. Let me tip it here. Transfer it here. Whew.